some blessings slip away when I lost my focus and went astray. But thank God I didn't lose everything. Oh, I've lost possessions that were so dear, and I've lost some battles by walking in fear. But in the midst of my struggles, in my season of pain, one thing never wavered, one thing never changed. I never lost my hope. I never lost my hope, Lord, no. I never lost my joy. I never lost my joy. I never lost my faith, God. Most of all, I never lost my praise. Oh, Lord, I kept my praise through disappointments, Lord, and I kept my praise through every tear. Most of all, oh, thank you, Lord, I never lost my praise.
All right, let us hear from Elaine.
Jasmine, you know, it's so important that we don't lose our praise. So what a beautiful way to end the show. I don't think, though, that it got us to the point where we were really screaming and lifting our hands. But that's all right, because praise doesn't always have to be that way. I felt that it was a genuine expression of how your life has been so far. And, you know, good job. And also, great job supporting vocalists. Great job.
Vegas.
Yeah, I just think you're a powerhouse. You know, maybe not the right song, you know, for me still, but you know, you can sing. Can't take that from you. You can sing, man.
Anthony.
I don't know. For me, it was kind of like a trudge. I would have run out to the church a long time ago. It really didn't kind of work for me. I just found it a little bit heavy going. I didn't like it so much. Sorry. May the Lord forgive me.
Conroy.
You know, it was a credible performance. It was. We saw you bring your emotions to it. I can understand the disconnect that they felt, and the supporting vocals were so bang on that, you know, we're here. I was paying attention to them a little bit more than I was paying attention to you. Not to any fault of theirs, but it was credible.
All right, thanks, judges. If you felt Jasmine's soul in that performance, then show her how much you enjoyed it. Text the word VOTE to 444-5508 or call 444-5508. Thanks, Jasmine. Sweet song.